Hi, and welcome back to our tutorials on how to use the CasaTunes app. In this particular tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to select a room, how to select a source, and how to group rooms. Now there's two ways that we have access to these options. The first way is the typical way that you learned in the overview, which is we tap on the tray button, and you'll see here that we have a select room option, a select source option, and a group rooms option. But there is a shortcut that I want to share with you. So let's close the menu options right now. And if we tap on the room name, so in this case master bedroom, it'll bring up a pop-up with those few commands. So now you see we tapped on the master bedroom and it gave us the option to change the room, change the source, and group rooms. So let's look at each of these individually. So if the app is currently focused on the master bedroom and I'm going to be moving into my office and I want to move the focus of the app to the office, I go ahead and select a different room. So I select room and I select on office, and now it's moved the focus to the office. So let's turn the music on in the office. Okay, so if I want to change a different source for the office, so the office currently is playing David's Player, and now if I want to change the source, I go to select source, and here you can see that I have 4 different sources to choose from. David's Player is actually my personal player that I use, and I select the music for that player and so forth. The second one is Jody's Player, which is my spouse's. And so by naming it David and Jody, we can avoid interfering with each other's music. And the third one is Player 3, which is what we actually allow guests to play around with. And then finally, we have a Sonos Connect connected to our Matrix system, so we actually can listen to music from the Sonos device. So I can change now to that Sonos Connect device, and it allows me to listen to all the Sonos music. So now going back and changing the source to David's Player, you'll notice also up here that there's an Office +1. The +1, +2, +3, and so forth means that in addition to the Office, there are other rooms that are sharing this player called David's Player. So if I now click on the Office again and I go to Group Rooms, I can see that both the Office and Master Bedroom are checked, which means that they are sharing David's Player. So if I turn off the master bedroom and come back, you'll see that it's just Office and not Office +1. So now if I want to share the music that's currently playing in the office, and let's say that I'm going to go take a shower and get dressed, what I might want to do is go ahead and turn the music on in the master bath and the master bedroom, listening to the same music that I'm listening to in the office. And you can see that now the music is playing in the office plus 2 other rooms. Another thing that's kind of nice is let's suppose that I was listening to music in the office, and now I'm going to go to another room. So let's say I'm going to go to the living room as an example. So I'm no longer going to be in the office, so I don't really want to listen to the music in the office anymore. I just want to move the music that's playing in the office to the living room. So what I do is I go ahead and select the living room, and then I uncheck the office, and now the music has moved to the living room. One thing you'll notice too was that originally the app was focused on the office. When we changed from the office to the living room, and because no other room was connected, the app will automatically move to the room where the music is playing. So in this case, it moved our focus to the living room, which is ideal because I'm going down to the living room now and I want to be able to control the music in the living room. So that's a quick overview of how to select a room, select a source, and how to group rooms using the CasaTunes app for iOS. Thank you.